In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a budgets in QuickBooks Online. So this is a smart way to plan and track your business finances. So click on the gear icon in the upper right corner, and then under the tools, select budgeting. So after that, click the create a budget. So you can also import the budget in here. So in here, you'll need to enter what kind of budget type, your period, your budget format, and then after that, click next. And in here, enter a budget name like, for example, 2025 marketing budget, and then select the fiscal year. So you can choose to subdivide the budget by customer, class, or location depending on how your business is set up. So in here, you'll see a table where you can enter your monthly income and expense estimates. So you can also copy data from a previous year or start from scratch by typing numbers directly into each cell. So once you're done, you can click save, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.